Hi guys, today I am going to talk about AI video generation from image to animation. The process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and please do not skip the video so you don't miss any part. So you can see that I am on this site, that is pika.art. I am going to put the link in my description box so you can access it free. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you can see there's this option of join beta, which I'm going to click. After I click it, I'm going to land on this site. Here I have to choose a display name. I'm going to choose anything, doesn't matter at all. Then I'm going to click continue. Then you can see there's this prompt that flashes up and it says to confirm, and I'll be back after I'm done with this. After this, you can see that I come into Discord interface. Here I am going to choose the date of birth and then I'll come back. Now I have to finish signing up. For that I am going to use a temporary email because this is a demo video. You can use your personal email if you are doing a professional video. Now I am going to copy this from temp mail. Temp mail generates free temporary emails that are disposable. I'm going to paste it over here and then I'll come back after I finish signing up. Now you can see that they have sent a confirmation link to this email. If I scroll down a little bit, you can see that there's this verification email message that I'm going to click, and now I can scroll down again, and here you can see there's this button of verify email. I'm going to verify my email, and then I'm just going to skip these and select finish. Now you can see that if I click this Pika option, I land over here and I have to scroll from here down towards generate. You can select any of these. I'm going to select generate one. Now you can see that the message option is available now. Now to generate an animation, I have to use this prompt. For that I will use a / and then select create or animate. You can choose any. After that you can see there's this plus one more option. I'm going to click this, and then you have to click this image option and drag and drop your file just like I am doing. Now you can use any cartoon of your choice or any image of your choice. Then you can see there's this prompt option. Here I'm going to write the prompt. I will write flying. You can write anything, and then I'm going to set a resolution for this, for example 4K, and you can also set a ratio aspect for this. I'm going to set AR16:9, that is landscape. You just have to follow what I'm doing, and then you can click enter, and you have to wait for a few seconds, maximum 30 seconds, and then your video will be ready. I will be back once this video is ready. You have to be patient in this step. Here you can see that our video is ready. We can play this. We can go into full screen, and now you can see that if I play this video, you can see that my video is now playing. If I want, I can download this by going back. You can see here, if I click this download option, I can download this video. You just have to follow what I'm doing. You can save this in your desktop. I hope this process was easy and you liked it. Please like and subscribe my channel if you liked this video. Thank you very much. See you again.